Happy birthday, baby girl!
Birthday, Nikki.
Happy birthday, Nikki. Happy birthday, Nikki. Happy birthday, Nikki. Happy birthday, Nikki.
Happy birthday, Nikki.
Happy birthday,
Nikki.
And say happy birthday, Nikki.
Ladies and gentlemen, please fasten your seatbelt.
Hey! 哎，兄弟，还在家没？天气这么好，出来走走啦！哎，快点啦，等你很久嘞！
Nami diri karon sa Crocodile Park. At doon sa namo sila ni Kig Titus kay nagkaon pa sila og magmerienda sa me kay naa sila giluto. Ma, dalo na lang nato tong soft drinks. So guys, kauban ako si Nikki og si Titus.
Happy birthday.
So guys, I am here with Nikki. Happy birthday, baby girl. You're not baby girl anymore. And Titus, how about Titus? Say happy birthday, Nikki.
Happy birthday, Nikki.
Oh. And say happy birthday, Nikki.
Happy birthday.
What are you eating? That's brownies. Did you made that?
Ano pasta?
Huh? Really? So it's a vlog. So it's a vlog, guys.
Hi guys. So I'm eating brownies.
Who made that brownies?
Mama.
Hi guys, we are eating and the answer is in my carbonara. I'm with the birthday girl and Titus. Nami diri karon sa Crocodile Park. Titus, can I have more? Chicken nugget. And the carbonara is so yummy. Ikaw nag-edit, Ana?
Yeah.
How kayo si Nikki mag-edit, guys? Again. Wow. Look! That's so big, Titus airplane!
Ladies and gentlemen, please fasten your seatbelt.
Carbonara is so delicious. Where are we now? Where are we right now?
We are on the Crocodile Park and I'm going and watch me drink this kind of good juice.
Kaya tagid ako anit eh. Guys, the carbonara is so delicious.
Very.
Mas lami imong carbonara ka. Si Ate Day naglutoan ng carbonara.
Watch.
Kung gusto ninyo mag-order, please contact 090. Gibaligya agad ka ba?
Hello guys, I'm going to do something. I'm just drinking my friend's juice.
And why are we in the Crocodile Park?
This is Nikki's birthday.
Where
Happy
is Nikki?
Over here. And watch me drink.
Tumin ba kay dagag sahog?
Huh?
Look at mama's Nikki's mama's carbonara. Daghan sa og kuan guys, daghan sa og kaning pasta. Asa ni na pasta te? Ginagmay ra gini na pasta, mura sa macaroni. Bowed out tapos naapod sa dagan kay mga ham and morning nakadlami kay daghan sa og mga kuan meat. This is good guys. You need to try.
Okay.
What do you want to see animals in Crocodile? In Crocodile Park and Zoo, what kind of animals do you want to see?
Snake, the yellow snakes because I want to hold some and crocodiles. So, but the baby one, and I'm going to feed them crocodile.
How about do you want to eat the ice cream crocodile flavor?
Yes.
Bawal tayo magkaon-kaon sa animal area.
Pero naara day there is gawas.
Nadadilid ang
Naara day diya sa kilid ang kuan ang crocodile ice cream. Kami na ko nasa sulod.
See you later, guys. We'll be back soon.
Magkaon sa amin guys.
Hey, hey. Hey. 幻想彩色花衬衫，短裤拖鞋太养眼，背着背包还没出门，心已经。
2,000 years later.
We are going inside the crocodile farm, guys. Ibilin lang daw namo si Titus dito kay samok daw si Titus. Asa sa ta mag-una te? Ice cream?
No. I see.
Or sa pagbalik na lang ang ice cream?
Dili, after na to after kay mahuman man ni 4:45. Pwede tapait ice cream while waiting sa fire dance.
So maning bayad sa entrance. 4 PM ang next 4 PM ang next Is that real, Nikki? Pwede card, ma'am, no? Pwede card. Ay, debit din na. Sorry, ma'am, mali. Pwede i-remove. Ganito ay, sorry. Kaya pwede na na-itap. 450 ang sa senior. So kung maato mo diri sa Crocodile Park.
Every Tuesdays free nyo senior kay free. Ma'am, free gyud po ng senior every Tuesday. Ato ta diri pag Tuesday kay free ang senior.
Ipakita ang daily show na schedule sa mga daily schedule na mga
Kamo na bahala mag
screenshot, post.
Titus, wala pa kay Apil.
Nagpatatak na siya. Oh, vlogger ba daw ko? 120 subscribers. Ay, sa lulong tinood ni na Tinood ni na bakog? Si Lolong naabot siya ko under eh. Saltwater crocodile.
Amazing.
Saltwater crocodile. Di ba pwede man na gunitan? Capybara.
Can we feed?
Capybara.
Dodong, that is a big rabbit.
Pwede ba nang pakaunon? Di ba tong uno? Pwede good na nang pakaunon. Di ba, Nikki? Let's feed that one. Do you want to feed that one?
Yeah.
So, ansa na, Dia? Ansa na?
picture bayaran ako 150.
Ansa na?
Hello, bird.
Kinsay mo ginababayan?
Ang bird.
Layo manggod siya. White sea eagle. Ansa day na Dia? Ay, sige ti.
别再躺啦，别再花啦，青春这么短，出来一下啦！风吹过，笑声大，今天不玩，等计时啦！兄弟出来玩啦！阳光都在等我们啦！整条街都笑到开花，风吹过，心情出发，朋友出来玩啦！不要害羞，就是你啦！你还有你，今天全部一起出发。
Ginapakaon ni ninyo, sir? Oh, twice a month. Tapos dili ni sa busog karon. Asan yung ginapakaon sa iya ha? Manok. Piso. Oh. Kanang buo na gyud. Makaon po din niya.
Dragon ako. Nasa baba. Hey guys, it's Nikki here. Bearded dragon.
Iguana.
Bearded dragon. No, snake.
Kain kayo sa
Dragon. Yeah. Skills ba?
Grand Arena. Ay, naadiri ang show. Pero unya ba sang alas 4?
Titus, smile.
1, 2, 3. What's the name of the crocodile? Lolo.
Crocodilo. Mama.
Huh? Asa?
Mama daw.
He is sleeping.
This one. Dako siya.
Napa may pinakadako, di ba? Na dito. Nikki, are you excited sa lion? Let's see the lion. Ay, saltwater crocodile. This one is saltwater crocodile. There! Alam, babae.
Big cats might spray you with your...
Ito ko, eh.
Hey, I'll buy...
Kalusog nila. Mingay! Babae na lion.
Murag... It has 2 toys!
Tingdog dapat sa mo. Tingdog dapat siya, eh. Ming, 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 ming. Ming, 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 ming. Ming, ming. Basta makalit lang nagpangihi ba? Ano eh, atubang ba sa ato? Guys, nindot kayo ang kuan. Albino tiger. Mga lusog guys sila no? Patanawa pa, napulo ka battery ni Nader eh. Kuni, napulo ka battery. Napulo ka battery ang kuan. Ano, kita ni mo?
Let's go there upstairs.
Dito sa taas kay para makuan. Giant crocodile. Ay dara di ay sa Bengal tiger. Pero puti mo nindot kay gitsura. It looks like Titus.
Yeah!
Capybara. Mga capybara. Asa? Oo! Mauning kaning gyud ko anjud sa kanang tiger gyud na tiger. Tiger. Kanang naan ta makita sa
Oo, siguro nang ginapakain. Yeah, may orange man to.
tanawa pa.
And that one is the original. Wait, no. Original.
Ano diri man sa ilalim gibutang? Oh, tiger.
Siguro aggressive siya pa.
Yeah.
Kana makakita og kuan.
Wait, let go! Quiet.
Dili mo gud maklaro ba?
Asa kinaon?
Crocodile. Mga busog kayo ilang mga kuan diri ba assets.
After, magpakaon na sila.
Pwede ba? Come here, Nikki. Busog-lusog kayo ang ilahang ko ano.
Mama.
Napulo ka pod to ilang gikaon ba? Mo ni ang tinuod na kuan ni Lolong. Tinuod na size ni Lolong.
Hello, Lolo.
Sige, Titus, go.
Si Lulong ba? Kamas back, bro?
Careful. Let's go sa fish na lang sa fish. Ready, smile. 1, 2, 3.
Food, ostrich na lang sa... Ano na sa ostrich?
What?
Bye, Lulong. We will come back soon.
That's Romy. You know Romy. Titus, na sa deka. Dagan kayo ni sa deka, eh.
Can I touch? Walay pan. Can I touch? Yeah.
Hello, nang luwa. Pwede ba gunitan?
Pwede to?
Sige, you touch it daw, Nikki. You touch it daw, Nikki.
I don't want to. I don't want to. Pwede ba?
Wala gusto, wala mang ipagkaon? Wala ipagkaon? Tara, let's go sa outstreets.
I don't want to.
What?
I don't want
It
to.
tickles you?
I tried it.
It's scary, man. It's scary. Ah! It's scary.
It splashed me. Oh, this one's big. This
Hindi
one's
lang
big.
mamaakin nun, pero slimy lang ang ilang baba.
Ew.
Ano
I don't want to. Go.
I-try te. Sige, i-try. Alam ni mo kamot.
Oh, look at that. Oh,
Go. I should try that.
Kayo sa kamot. Sige, go. Give me your hand. Okay. Both of us. Here. Pag mo doon lang ba, itanggal din niya ba?
My fish. Let's go to the ostrich. Oh my gosh.
Ano to, nang luwa? Sakit eh.
Makuratan lang ka.
Oh my gosh, a bit.
Ngano daw?
I thought you know how. Again.
Wala ako ipagkaon.
Ang mata!
Oh my gosh.
Wait lang.
Nani bayad ang feed? 50 ang bayad?
Ang food.
Paano masabi?
Ay, Nikki, oh, yung...
Oh, Abi, you try.
Abi, you try. It's so cool. It's so cool.
Ako napay food, te. Ah, Nikki, oh, you... Yeah, wait lang!
Tagal ako kanina. Kuha niyo magbaba, oy.
Give me more... Hop! Ah, testing nga, testing.
Manok!
Ay, manok.
Thank you. It's okay.
It's okay.
It's okay. It's okay.
Di man sila muduol, Nikki.
Mambak siguro na.
Kusog mo rapod ni sila ka ng kabayo na kusog mo ambak ba?
Mura na yung sa kabayo o porma, no?
Oo.
Ngano gamay?
Inga na gyud na ang ilahang kuan, ang ilahang height na gyud. Mo.
Sound.
Me. Me.
Sound. What's the sound of the zebra?
Balahibo na uy. Ay murag panit. Oh, murag na sa nakakuan na siyang panit daan.
Pino na balahibo blandi. Ngani ka blandi ah?
Permanent na na.
Okay, wait.
Oh.
Kaya katong
Ha?
katong ano?
Tina ni mama.
Tina ni mama nga expired.
Among gigamit. Yan, yellow.
Ang brown lang na dark ba?
So, brown today.
Niya doy.
Ha?
Yawa.
Landa, awa, tanawang itlog pa. Awang itlog.
Lalaki ni.
Lalaki. Awa mauna. Awa ang itlog dito ma. Dito ang itlog. Oh. Palawan porcupine tapos bat siya.
I hear someone. I hear someone. I call them. I'm Batman.
Mag-fish feeding sa amin guys kay naabot na ang kuan. Naabot na ang ilahang pagkaon.
Wala na to sa other dimension.
Ay, abi na ko bayad sa pagkaon jud din na tinuo.
Mandito ako na.
Yan eh. Oh, tanawa si Abi. Oh.
Oh my gosh.
Isugang Abi. Ikaw pa Titus, you hold. You hold. Go.
No,
Not yet. Go. Kaning yellow, oh, lami adalon eh. Koi feeding, ostrich feeding, 50 pesos. Go. Ay, iparihay nga na kay Abi oh.
Ay, ito sa look.
Amo si Abi.
Higit mahadlok.
Di ba hadlok mo?
Mahadlok.
Oh, fish. Fishy. Oh. Slimy.
Go Titus. Isog na sa akin, nakasugod naman. Oh, again. Go. Oh.
Crocodilo.
What?
His name is Commander Crocodilo.
Yeah. Oh, turo, nagadaga na siya. Nitingdog na siya. Asa man ang mga butterfly? Amo nilang food.
Watch me, Nene.
Gamay ra man dyan ni sila lifespan.
Pero wala na siya
Pero wala na yung kanang kuan. Whoa!
Make a wish? Wait, I had to make a wish.
Woo! Whoa! Wow! Nona! Nona iyang name.
Ha?
Nona iyang name.
Nona!
Awan ni ka. Nona iyang name. Nona iyang name.
Nona!
Nona. Nona.
Nona!
Nakita ninyo pagpakaon? Gani, buhong gani kayo sila sa pagkaon. Manong nakaayos sa mga hayop diri ba?
Kalingaw siguro na kayo na.
Kay kuan jud mo nang dili kay sila payat, dili malnutrition ang ilahang mga kuan. Dira o dol sila dire oh. Look, Vicky. Pa nagaana na sila, nagaandam na sila para sa impeach. Kana kato siguro nang nag-ilog sila pagkaon.
Butangan daw ni mo og coin number. Makakagawad pa na sila dahil. Makakagawad.
Mga kagawad. Mga kagawad pa ni. Ay dili uy, escape pa siguro ni sila. Morning cute na ano.
Hello?
Dili giko. It's so cute.
Yeah, so cute.
It's so cute. No. You want that?
Wait, there's more.
Yeah.
Lalaki na isungay babae.
Monkey?
Yes. Tapos may turtles.
Hala, look. Dapat kilimpyuhan. No?
Please, I want.
Dito daw, ano daw sa taas.
Wala may buslot.
Dito daw sa taas.
Na naman sa taas.
Wala may buslot di. Ah, naghangad siya.
Ipatunog daw sa taas.
Oh. Oh, brightening yung guya niya. It's bird Titus. It is bird. Look there, oh. Oh, it is bird. It is bird. Oh. Oh, ni parrot. Look, come here. Scarlet Macaw. Scarlet Macaw. Hello. Hello. Te Martinez, te. Ah.
But how can you reconcile what the Bible says?
Yes, so I would like to stay neutral. I would like to believe science because there is scientific evidences, but I would also believe in religious one because I am also a Catholic. So I would like to stay neutral or in the middle. Thank you.
Isa lang siya, ma'am. Isa lang.
Po, wala na po si Carlo. Doon na sila si Carlo.
Kasang wala na.
Yes, nag-pass away na kahit igulang na.
So, saan siya? Babae na lang?
Lalaki. Yes.
Pero dili siya ka ng ano, mangita og partner or
Dili man po, sir.
pareha sa mga Philippine Eagle ba?
Dili man sad, sir.
Mamatay kung wala'y partner.
Oh.
Dili man po dili ako, sir.
Sana all.
Nonchalant kayo siya ba? Capybara.
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 They're called the cutest rats and dinosaurs of all.
This one?
Now. Oh guys, look at this. This thing is kind of cute and this kind of
It looks like a dragon, guys. It looks like a
It
dragon.
looks like a dragon and it's kind of cute
It's kind of cute.
and it's comfy cute.
Show it to them, show it to them.
And look at this.
And look at me, guys.
Look at me.
Hi, guys.
Guys.
Hi, guys. This is Nikki, guys. Hey, this is Nikki. This is Titus. Hey guys. Titus is thirsty.
Yeah, I'm so thirsty. I want cold water.
You want cold water?
Yeah.
Yeah, and we're waiting for the show, guys, here. Here, oh, look, oh, look. Look the person.
哎，兄弟，还在家没？天气这么好，出来走走啦！哎，快点啦，等你很久嘞！哎哎哎哎！换上彩色花衬衫，短裤拖鞋太养眼，背着背包还没出门，心已经飞到海边，群组讯息一直闪，谁又说今天很忙？不要每次都。
Now, folks, before we start our show, I need your energy muna. Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo. Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo is a private rescue center for endangered and wild animals. And we have been preserving these animals since 2005.
等计时啦，兄弟出来玩啦！阳光都在等我们啦！整条街都笑到开花，风吹过心情出发，朋友出来玩啦！不要害羞，就是你啦！你还有你，今天全部一起出发。 经典路边卖杯冰饮料，心情突然变蓝天。有人唱歌走音，有人笑到不行，这种乱七八糟才叫真的旅行。哟，不用订机票啦，不用订饭店啦，有你们在哪里都好玩啦。花衬衫、拖鞋加墨镜，还没出门，心情已经很新。哎，你不要再考虑，今天快乐不需要理由，兄弟，还有你，今晚笑声不准休息。夕阳慢慢变橘色，风也变得温柔了。谁说旅行一定要远走？只要朋友都在这，哪里都是新宇宙。这
Since it's my birthday today, one of my wishes is to hold the birthday.
目的地。我们现在去哪？随便啦，走到哪玩到哪啦。
Asa si Papa?
Kuyas, ano, water.
Dito na lang tayo, tanaw na to tong buhaya. Ay, wala naman ng buhaya.
Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Wait, I want to see.
Raspberry.
Before we go, guys, capybara.
Bye guys.
Bye, guys.
Look at the biggest crocodile, guys.
Si
Look at
Lolong.
the big crocodile.
Already.
Is that real?
I think so. Look at that one, oh. Tinuod. Ay, oh.
This is real. Look. Let's check here.
Oh, look at this. Oh, look,
Tinood ni siya. Ooh, this is real.
Wow.
This is real. Ala ka cute lagi na. Cute lagi na sa Nikki. That's cute. How much is that? That's so cute.
Wait lang. Show.
Hala, nasa ano, solar rover.
Wait, show this.
Cute. Ay mo maning mag-mimic sa imong voice. No, it's not working. Tara, let's go.
There's so many capybara.
Sige, thank you.
Meron po tayo fire dance sa dulo.
Oh, fire dance. Ay, fire dance ting.
Fire dance. O ba ni sagot si Titus? Fries.
Ha?
Fries sa sakyan.
Fries?
Ay, fries. Sprite.
Nay tubig diya, ma. Lagi daw kong tubig, ma. Happy birthday, Nikki! Mubuga na sila. Wala, yun sa to nila. Naitali.
I just saw the giant and it stopped. Yeah, I'm not joking.
You're not joking, yeah. Oh, look at that, Titus! Kani ang nindot. Kani ang nindot. Kani ako na oh.
It's my favorite part.
Nice kay na ka.
Favorite part.
Science. Awa. Mura nag fireworks. Wow! Adlukoy. Wow! Di kaya kayo mapasok ano? Nagigit sila eye protection. Woo! Ah! It's on! It's on! This is Nikki's gift. You open it, please. I-keep sa angay pa. Put away.
Kuha na or na?
May picture na lang ng gold ha.
Then, open it. I-open ang box po. I-open ang box. I-open ang box.
Your birthday, man. When is your birthday?
Disappoint. December 2.
Today is April 26.
Open it. Sige, open.
What is this?
Pen.
and a black check.
Wow!
Nalagyan mo yung mga ingon.
Wow!
Ay, open oh. Wow, naka siya yung letter. Butang ng mga basura.
Imi that ribbon ni Kibe kay iuli na to na sa bulak.
Sa imuhang kuan.
Katong tanom sa kuan sa computer.
How about Titus?
Eh, masamot na naka-disappoint kayo. Wala ba yan sa iya?
Oh, naka siya letter.
Happy birthday, Nikki. I wish you good health, successful life, and a lot of money in the future so that you can buy me an airplane. Akon, your airplane companion.
Why?
Meet Beacon, your airplane
You want to have a
companion.
gift?
But it's not your birthday. Highest
Pwede
prize.
pixel na ba now?
Happy birthday, Kakao. I
Ha?
love you from Mama. Kakao. Happy birthday, Kakao.
When is your birthday, di ay?
Saan eh?
Many more birthdays to come.
Many more birthdays.
This is so nice, Titus.
Ano si Titus?
This is so nice. This is so nice. That's so nice. Hey!
Ay, what did you say? Ay, dili ka magsalita. Dapat ba?
Wow! Nisigo, gudi mo to. Wow! You know that? So are you sad na?
You're not sad?
You're not sad anymore? You're not sad? Or are you sad?
I'm a happy boy.
You're not sad? What? I'm a little bit sad though.
What will you say?
So Nikki's birthday and also Titus' birthday. Then Titus' birthday is also Nikki's birthday.
Nice nga sa
Thanks for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
Don't release it, ha? Don't release it.
哎，兄弟，还在家没？天气这么好，出来走走啦！哎，快点啦，等你很久了。